Okay everyone, give me a second here. I'm going to show you how I'm going to shut this tractor off. So I'm taking the 12 volts away from the yellow wire that goes to the solenoid. Somewhere over here. Doesn't really matter. Here it is right here. Let's see, no, that's a metal. Well, you really don't need to know. So look, this yellow wire is plugged into this black plug. This black plug, it's really hard to see. Okay, there it is, right there. Okay. I don't know if you can see it because I can't really get my camera in there. That's the solenoid. So, New Holland Workmaster 35 would not start. It would crank, wouldn't start. First I got a test light and put it on this yellow wire. Tried to start it and I had no power, no 12 volts. So I plugged this hot wire. Let's see. Okay. So I plugged this hot wire into that yellow plug right there. It brought me 12 volts from the battery. And it started right up. In the meantime, I traced all the wires to this side over here of the tractor. Unscrewed the nuts here. So here's the plugs. So this plug right here that yellow and red wire carry the 12 volts to that. So hopefully, probably, this box is the problem, because it's not getting 12 volts from here that direction. So this is if your tractor cranks diesel. If it cranks but doesn't start on a diesel, if it cranks and you got fuel, it's going to start. So like I say, the way you shut off a diesel is take the 12 volts away. The reason this won't start is because it doesn't have 12 volts. So I've been helped a lot by these videos on YouTube, so that's kind of why I made this one. So maybe it'll help somebody someday. Thanks.